The Mackie FreePlay is the ultimate all-in-one portable PA solution. So let me show you a little bit about it. It's got dual 1-inch compression drivers, so it is a stereo box. You've got an 8-inch woofer on here. Built-in 300 watts of power on board, so it's got plenty of power for any application you want to throw at it. Let me go ahead and flip it around. On the back here, we've got a built-in digital mixer. It's a 4-channel digital mixer. Here's our input side. We've got combo XLR or 1/4-inch jacks on the back on channels 1 and 2. And then we've got a stereo aux-in or Bluetooth streaming channel. And I'll get to our Bluetooth technology in a second. And then a monitor out for linking systems or sending it out to an additional loudspeaker. Over here is our really simple to use 4-channel digital mixer. So I just select channel 1, I can adjust the level. If I hold it down, I can actually send my effects level, so now I can have reverb, delay, chorus, multi-effects on my microphone or my acoustic guitar. We also have our Bluetooth channel, which is once again our either 1/8-inch input or our Bluetooth streaming, and that allows us to stream music directly from my phone or any Bluetooth device, really tablet, computer, directly into the FreePlay and be able to play everything right wirelessly through the FreePlay. Right here we have our main fader, or our main button, which allows us to control the overall level of the entire unit here. It's great processing built in on board. We've got 16, like I said, mentioned before, 16 built-in effects, reverbs, choruses, delays. Over here we've got a one-touch feedback destroyer. So all we have to do is just engage that guy, and it's going to catch any feedback that comes through the system and kill it immediately. So it really saves your ears in those situations where everybody's like, oh no, right? So you've also got 4 application-specific voicing modes. And what this allows you to do is set it up for the specific application that you're looking to use it for. So flat would be a very flat EQ for just general music listening. DJ gives you more bass and more treble, that smiley face EQ curve that we're all so fond of. And then you've got your soloist mode for when you're actually going to be plugging in a microphone and guitar into it and really using it as in a busking situation or a soloist performer situation. And then lastly, we've got our voice mode, and what that is for our presentations. Anytime that you need to a classroom, a studio where you really just need to speak, and you're not going to be playing a lot of music through it. So what that'll do is that'll roll off some of the bass so you don't get a real boomy mic during your presentation. Really focus it so everybody can hear your voice clearly. On the bottom here, we've got our battery tray, and let me just go ahead and open it and actually show you the batteries. So here we have the ability to have D-cell batteries, so I can put in up 8 D-cell batteries to run it on battery power, or you can use the lithium-ion battery option for up to 10 hours of battery life. Very cool. These batteries are an option for it, but the great thing about this is they last a long time. They charge up pretty fast, and you can use multiple batteries in case you're in a situation where you need to be on battery power, but you need to be able to switch it out quickly for continuous performance. So that was the Mackie FreePlay features on board. I've also like to show you our built-in, our FreePlay Connect app. Now this is a free download from the iOS store. We'll also have Android support upon release. And what this allows you to do is control everything in the FreePlay. You have access to every single parameter, mixing, faders. If I click on a channel here, I can see I have a 3-band EQ. I've got my send, so I can add effects to it. If I go back here, I've got my ability to change or to select any one of my 16 effects. And if I click here, I have access to my voicing modes as I was talking about. And here you can actually see the EQ curves and all of what they are doing. So this works once again over Bluetooth, so you can stream any music or app or program you want through Bluetooth directly to the device, or once again you can control everything through Bluetooth with it. So it is really a complete PA solution that'll let you perform, present, and play anywhere.